Welcome back to the 2024 Miss Dig 811 annual meeting. I am here with Kristen. How are you, Kristen?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I am doing all right. So what is a member when it comes to Miss Dig 811?
There are a couple options. Our primary membership group are facility owner operators, and that could be anyone from a commercial business to a school district, public agency or municipality, utility owner. And then we've got our associate member group. That could be contract locator like USIC or Western Telecom. It could be an excavator. We do have some services for excavators that are available through membership only, or vendor membership. And that would be maybe a damage claims company or really anyone that wants to support Miss Dig.
And we like support.